Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 4, that is pronouns. So, let's begin with this lesson. Here, pronouns are substitutes or for nouns. Pronouns क्या होता है? Substitute होते हैं nouns के लिए. They do the job of nouns by standing in place of them. ये किसकी job करता है? Noun की job करता है उनके place पे stand होके. Like हम बार बार एक नेम तो रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. मयंक इज अ गुड बॉय, मयंक इज इन दिस क्लास, मयंक एज इज 5 years old. हम बार बार ये रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, तो इसकी जगह हम इट लगा देंगे या ही लगा देंगे या हिज लगा देंगे. सो प्रो मीन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ. प्रो का मतलब क्या होता है? इंस्टेड ऑफ. सो प्रोनाउंस मीन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन, नाउन की जगह पे. Pronouns usually refers back to a noun already mentioned. ये किस तरह से back करता है? उस noun से जो already mentioned है. Examples क्या? Like my sister has been cleaning out our family home. She called me yesterday. My sister की जगह हमने फिर लगा दिया. Now working of pronouns कैसे work करते हैं? Pronoun since pronouns stand in place of noun, ये किसकी जगह पे stand करता है? Noun की जगह पे stand करता है. तो वो same action function perform करता है as noun. So pronouns can be the subject of a verb. Pronoun क्या हो सकता है? Subject हो सकता है verb का. Examples like they don't understand. They don't understand like Maya and Rani. इनकी जगह Mayank and Rani don't understand की जगह हमने they लगा दी. So they क्या है आपका? Pronoun है. Many apply but few are chosen. This works okay. Pronoun can be the object of a verb. Object भी हो सकता है pronoun आपका. Which do you prefer? क्या prefer करो? Which? What? The witch change herself into fly. Witch ने अपने आप को किसने चेंज कर लिया? Fly ने चेंज कर लिया herself. तो ये क्या हो गई? ऑब्जेक्ट हो गए वर्ब के. The pronouns can be the object of the preposition. वो preposition का भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो सकता है. Book a seat for me. Don't speak to anyone. To whom is the letter addressed? So ये क्या हो गए? ऑब्जेक्ट हो गए preposition के. Now here are the kinds of pronouns. So the pronouns can be classified as below. There are many kinds of pronouns. First one is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the pronouns that represent you. जो आपको represent करते हैं. The person or people you are addressing can be the person or people you are addressing and the people or things you are talking about. The person pronouns are personal pronouns क्या होता है? Like I, you, he, she, it, they, me, you, him, her, us, them. जिन्हें हम एड्रेस भी करते हैं खुद होता है, हमारे पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस होता है. We use he to refer to a male. He यूज करता है रेफर करने के लिए मेल से. She यूज करता है रेफर करने के लिए फीमेल से. It यूज करता है रेफर करने के लिए थिंग से, एनिमल से या फिर बेबी से. And we don't know it's male or female. या जब हमें नहीं पता होता ये मेल है या फीमेल है. And they do refer to several people or things. और they किससे रेफर करता है? बहुत सारे people और things से. Now special uses of pronouns is it. It can refer to weather. Weather से refer कर सकते हैं like it is very hot today. Is it going to stop raining? It can refer to time. If time से भी refer कर सकता है. Oh, it is 5 o'clock already. It is too late to telephone grandpa. It can refer to situation. Situation से भी refer कर सकता है. It is okay if I borrow your bike. It is pity you can't come to my party. It is used for identifying yourself. आपको identify करने के लिए use होता है and other people को भी. Like, hi John, it is, are you sure? Who is the kid in the photograph? It is me when I was little. Here is a table to remind you about the use of personal pronouns. यहाँ पे table है. Personal pronouns के first, second और third person है. Singular और plural में subject और object. Subject क्या I होता है? Object me हो गया. Subject you, object me. Third में he, him, she, her, it. Plural में क्या होगा? We का us. You, they, them. Now reflexive pronouns क्या होते हैं? जो reflex करते हैं. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self or self. फिर self लगता है या फिर self लगता है like himself, own, ourselves. To pronounce like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, and themselves. ये क्या आपके reflexive pronoun है जो reflect कर रहे हैं. They refer back to the subject. ये subject से refer back करता है एक sentence. Examples क्या है इसके? We decorated the house ourselves. I prepared the tea myself. Empathetic pronouns क्या है? These pronouns are same as the reflexive pronouns. ये same होता है reflexive pronouns की तरह. They are used as the emphasizer of a noun. ये कैसे use होते हैं? Emphasizer की तरह nouns के और personal pronouns के. For example, इसके examples क्या like mine. I myself don't enjoy polo. You know yourself. It is if you are telling the truth, he himself is to blame for his problems. I haven't made the twins dancers, but I know their parents. Now possessive pronouns क्या होता है जो possession या फिर ownership show करता है कि ये चीज किसकी है. Possessive pronouns are used to show possession like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. ये possession show करता है. Examples क्या like this cup is mine. It is not yours. That book is hers. It is not his. Now interrogative pronoun तो interrogate करता है जो questions पूछता है. The words who, whom, whose, what and which are called interrogative pronouns. हैं interrogative pronouns कहते हैं. We use these pronouns to ask questions. हम pronouns को use करते हैं questions पूछने के लिए. Examples क्या है? Who are you talking to? Who is she talking to? Whose is this umbrella? Now demonstrative pronouns. Now demonstrative pronouns, the words this, that, these and those are called demonstrative pronouns. इन्हें हम pronouns कहते हैं. They are used to point out things which are referred to art at a distance or close by. किससे रेफर करते हैं जो चीज पास में या पास में यहाँ पे दूर है. This, that, these, those. This और these हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? This और these किसके लिए यूज करते हैं जो चीज हमारे बिल्कुल पास है. That और those किसके लिए यूज करते हैं जो चीज हमसे दूर है. So this is a cock. That is a hen. This जिसे हम टच कर सकते हैं उसके लिए this और that जो हमसे दूर है. These are goats. Those are sheep. ये जो है हमारे पास goats है ये प्लूरल में आ गया और वो sheep हैं जो दूर है वो ये भी प्लूरल में. Those हम प्लूरल these और those हम प्लस के यूज करते हैं जो चीज हमसे दूर है जिन्हें हम टच नहीं कर सकते. The things that are far away. Now indefinite pronouns. The words someone, anyone, everyone, no one are called indefinite pronouns. Okay, हम indefinite pronouns कहते हैं like someone, anyone. Yep. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to persons or things in general way. हम refer करते हैं indefinite pronouns को persons या things in general way में like they do not refer to any definite person. एक किसी definite person से refer नहीं करते या फिर things से. Examples क्या? Has anyone seen Priya? Someone has dropped this bag. Everyone above 18 has a right to vote. No one knows what is stored in future. Now distributed pronouns. The words neither, each, either, any, none. ये क्या आपके distributive pronouns है? We use distributive pronouns to refer to a number of person or things. इसलिए यूज करते रेफर करने के किसी number of person से या फिर things से one at a time. Neither of these roads lead to the railway station. Either of you can do it. Now reciprocal pronouns. The words each other and one another. ये क्या आपके reciprocal pronouns है? We use them to refer to people, place और thing. हम किस लिए यूज करते हैं रेफर करने के people से, place से या thing से जो साथ में that are together in the action described by the verb. Examples क्या? Priya and Sania teasing each other. वो एक दूसरे को tease कर रहे हैं. The players are congratulating one another on their victory over South Africa. Now relative pronouns क्या होते हैं? The words who, whom, whose, which और that ये आपके relative pronouns होते हैं. They look like interrogative pronouns है. Interrogative pronouns की तरह लगता है but they do not ask questions. ये questions नहीं पूछते. they बस ये identify करते हैं person या thing को add करके facts उनके बारे में. If somebody says there is the waitress, you may want to ask which waitress and the answer may be something like the waitress who took your order. This waitress ने तुम्हारा order लिया था. Now read some examples. Those who still have not paid must pay. जिन्होंने पे नहीं करा उनको अब पे कर देना चाहिए. I have a friend whose cousin's ex in film. Here is the shop which sells Sharon's book. The cousins with whom I spent holidays taught me to ride a bike. Now the relative pronoun that can often be used instead of who, whom and which. जो relative pronoun किसकी जगह पे यूज हो सकता है? That जो यूज हो सकता है that की जगह पे, who की जगह पे, whom की और which की जगह पे. Like where is the waiter who serves us? Where is the waiter that served us? who की जगह पे हमने that लगा दिया. The police have found the man whom they wanted to interview. The police have found the man that they wanted to interview. What is the name of the tool which makes quotes in paper? What is the name of the tool that makes scroll in paper? So what you cannot use that as an alternative. That आप alternative की तरह use नहीं कर सकते to a W. It's a relative pronoun and a preposition comes before it. For example, कैसे Mrs. Savita is the teacher in whom we can also in whom we can all trust. Chess is a game for which you need a lot of patience. So here is a table to remind you the use of personal pronouns. ये अब table जो remind करी आपको किसने personal pronouns से. Subject, object and possessive. People, things. Subject क्या है who or that. Things में which or that. Object who, whom, that. Things में which or that. Possessive में whose or whose. Now we use relative pronouns in place of nouns. हम relative pronouns use करते हैं nouns की जगह पे. In order to join two sentences को order में. Examples क्या इसके like boy is in a room. The boy is watching the television. So हम क्या कर देंगे the boy who is in the room is watching the television. Or the boy who is watching the television is in the room. Now I saw a boy. The boy's bike was stolen. I saw the boy whose bike was stolen. I phoned Priya. Priya's voice sounded strange because of cold. I phoned Priya whose voice sounded strange because of the cold. Now omitting the relative pronouns. अब कैसे omit करते हैं relative pronouns को? Who, whom, which and that can be left out when they are object. जब ये object होते हैं ये छोड़ सकते हैं of a verb and preposition. Observe the following example. We can omit the color relative pronouns. Here see, a patient is a person who or that a doctor is looking after. A patient is a person, a doctor is looking after. Who that बता दिया हमने. We met some people who or that we had known in Mumbai. We met some people we had known in Mumbai. The tool that or which you use for making the holes is called a punch. The tool you use for making holes is called a punch. The address that or which you have to write to it is printed on the back. The address you have to write to is printed on the back. But if a prepositions come before the relative noun pronoun, तो वो relative pronoun से पहले आता है, we cannot use that. हम that use नहीं कर सकते. We cannot leave out. हम include नहीं सकते relative pronoun में. Like we must use whom or which. हमें whom or which use करना है after the preposition. Like here is the address to which you had to write. The shadow for which we wanted seats were already booked up. The show for which we wanted seats were already booked up. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.